How to endorse someone on LinkedIn. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Besnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can endorse someone on LinkedIn. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and easy, so let me guide you through. You can do so on your browser or you can do so through LinkedIn app. First, you want to go ahead and open up LinkedIn. Now what you want to do is from the search bar you can head over to the profile. You can search for that particular username and you can head over to the user profile that you wish to endorse. In my case, I'll just open up this particular profile here. So you want to head over to their profile. Once on the profile, if you scroll down below, you want to head over to the option that says skills. You can see now skills, and there are skills and it gives you endorse option. Now you want to tap on show all 13 skills. Now you can only endorse on the skills that the user have added to their profile. So if they have it here, then what you'll find the endorse option below their particular skill. You can tap on endorse here and you can say endorse. So this way you can endorse someone on LinkedIn. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.